Hi there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to Quik Quiz, where we serve you a slice of entertainment with a sprinkle of curiosity. Ever wondered how well you know your kitchen gadget? Well, get ready to put your knowledge to the test in our thrilling find, the Odd Utensil Out Quiz. Picture this: you're in your kitchen, surrounded by pots, pans, and a whole array of utensils. But wait, there's a twist. Amongst the familiar culinary tools lies one oddball, one utensil that just doesn't belong. Your mission is to spot that odd one out. Join us as we embark on this culinary adventure, where keen observation meets the joy of discovery. You'll be amazed at the variety of utensils that have found their way into our kitchens. Get ready to be puzzled, entertained, and enlightened, all in one go. So without further ado, let the Find the Odd Kitchen Utensil Out quiz begin. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this challenge, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe for more fun content, and hit that bell icon to stay updated. This is Team Quik Quiz signing off. See you in the next video.